Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy, My Adventure West here. I'm actually over here at my new house that I have, well, that I own. The reason why I'm over here because we just put up a brand new garage door over there. A brand new garage door opener. Either one, I can show y'all how it goes, but y'all can hear how it was. See here, we'll go here. I'll go ahead and give it a quick test. This thing is a genie. Before we had was an overhead door. And it just goes right up. And whenever we first got this, I thought this thing would be like a belt drive. But unfortunately, it's a chain drive. It is a one-piece rail. Actually, hold up. No, it's not. And the bottom number, I don't know what it is. I think it might be over here in the manual. Hold on, let me look real quick. Guys, I don't know where the thing is. Well, that's unfortunate. Well, shoot. Oh wait, hold on. Model number. Nope, unfortunately I can't find the model number. Yeah? Well, shoot. But this is what the remote looks like, either what. Yeah, this is what the remote looks like. I'll go ahead and run it up again. So y'all can just hear how it sounds one more time. So, here we go. Gonna sound like the motor here. Sorry about all the loud cars. And there you have it. That there is our brand new garage over there, called the Genie. We actually never had a Genie. This is actually brand new. Yeah, this thing's brand new. So, yeah, if y'all want me to do more videos like that, like over there closing the garage door so y'all can hear how they sound, let me know. And I will definitely do more. But that's all I have for y'all guys today. Hope y'all stay blessed and stay healthy. And see y'all later. Bye.